Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and keep watching more details. 90-Day Fiancé's Jasmine Pineda reveals new terrifying immigration update. Jasmine Pineda from 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After, recently opened up about her immigration status in the United States and a potential deportation scare. She married Gino in June 2023, and just a few months later, they sought marriage counseling to address their intimacy issues. Eventually, Jasmine and Gino agreed to explore open marriage, but she unexpectedly became pregnant with her friend, Matt Brennis, and gave birth to her third child in the United States. Jasmine also obtained her green card and is now set to return for 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After, Season 9 with Gino. In a TikTok live session, which was later reposted by @TheRelativeMess, Jasmine discussed her experiences in the United States. She mentioned living in a constant state of anxiety, nervousness, and fear that U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement was gonna come and kick her out of the country. Jasmine didn't provide specific details about the reasons for her fears. However, she made it clear that she constantly felt stressed and worried about being sent back to Panama by ICE. Despite this fear, she tried to stay positive by smiling during the live session. Many fans in the comments seemed unsympathetic towards Jasmine's situation. Jasmine didn't disclose the reason for her concerns related to ICE, but there are several reasons why she may be feeling stressed and uncertain about her future in the United States. It appears that the main cause of Jasmine's worry is the fact that her relationship with Gino, who had sponsored her K-1 visa, didn't work out. If she obtained a conditional green card, she would likely have to reapply to have those conditions removed. However, she might need Gino to be present for this process, which isn't possible since they separated on bad terms. Jasmine may also be worried that Gino may try to deport her, although he hasn't mentioned anything about it. She may be concerned that ICE will deport her on suspicion of committing marriage-based fraud, especially if Gino reported it as such in court. Perhaps Jasmine may simply be worried because she doesn't fully understand the United States legal system. She may not be aware of all her full rights as a green card holder and is afraid that ICE may deport her from the country in the near future. While it's easy to speculate why Jasmine is concerned, it's also possible that she brought up the deportation topic to spark controversy. Over the months, Jasmine has made several posts teasing fans. The fact that she smiled while discussing her fears related to deportation suggests that she may not be as worried as she claimed. However, if Jasmine is genuinely concerned about her status in the United States, she should consult with a lawyer to discuss it. Understanding more about her rights will help the 90-Day Fiancé, Happily Ever After cast member feel more secure. Jasmine Pineda's journey on 90-Day Fiancé has been marked by emotional highs and lows, but a recent revelation has added a new layer of complexity to her story. In a candid update, Jasmine shared a distressing immigration development that has left fans and followers deeply concerned. The immigration setback. Jasmine's path to reunite with her two sons from Panama has encountered a significant obstacle. Due to an oversight in her initial visa application, her children's names were not included, leading to a delay in their ability to join her in the United States. What was initially expected to be a 6-month wait has now extended to a potential 2-year process, causing immense emotional strain for Jasmine. Gino's role and the fallout. The responsibility for this oversight falls on Jasmine's then-partner, Gino Palazzolo. During a consultation with an immigration attorney, it was revealed that Gino had failed to list Jasmine's children on the K-1 visa application. This mistake has not only delayed the immigration process, but has also strained their relationship. Jasmine has expressed feelings of betrayal and frustration, stating that Gino's actions have significantly impacted her life and her ability to be with her children. Emotional toll and public response. The emotional toll of this situation has been evident in Jasmine's public statements and social media posts. She has openly discussed the heartbreak of being separated from her sons and the challenges of navigating the immigration system. Fans have rallied around her, offering support and expressing concern over the prolonged separation. Looking ahead, despite the setbacks, Jasmine remains determined to reunite with her children. She has taken proactive steps to address the immigration issues, including seeking legal assistance and exploring alternative solutions. However, the path forward remains uncertain, and Jasmine's future in the United States may depend on the outcome of her efforts to bring her sons to join her. As this situation develops, fans of 90 Day Fiancé continue to follow Jasmine's journey, hoping for a resolution that will allow her to reunite with her family and move forward from the challenges she has faced. This article is based on information available as of June 2025. For the most current updates, please refer to official sources. In the world of reality TV, few shows capture hearts and headlines quite like 90 Day Fiancé. The drama, romance, and cultural clashes keep millions glued to their screens, but sometimes, the most compelling stories unfold far beyond the camera's lens. Jasmine Pineda, known for her candidness and infectious spirit on 90 Day Fiancé, The Other Way, recently opened up about a terrifying immigration update that threatens to rewrite her life's narrative, and it's sending shockwaves through her fanbase. Jasmine's story has always been one of resilience. The Los Angeles native's journey from a hopeful fiancé to a reality TV star was a whirlwind of emotional highs and lows. Her relationship with George Nava, her Honduran boyfriend, was a central storyline filled with love, challenges, and heartbreak. But beneath the glamour of TV cameras and televised escapades, Jasmine faced a reality many viewers might not fully understand: the precarious and often painful reality of immigration. For years, Jasmine and George's relationship was shadowed by the complexities of immigration law. George's visa status, the constant threat of deportation, and the bureaucracy of U.S. immigration were not just background issues. They were the invisible villains shaping their future. Fans rooted for their love, but Jasmine knew the stakes were far higher than any reality show drama. Recently, Jasmine took to social media with a raw and emotional video update that sent chills through her followers. In her usual heartfelt style, she shared a terrifying new immigration update that left her and her family devastated and uncertain about what the future holds. The message was clear: the immigration battle she and George have fought is far from over, and the latest developments have made everything much more uncertain. The update that shook the 90 Day Fiancé world. What exactly happened? Jasmine revealed that George's application for legal residency, something they had hoped would be a straightforward process, has hit a devastating snag. Due to recent changes in immigration policies and stricter enforcement, George's application was denied, citing technicalities and a previously unknown issue with his paperwork. Jasmine's voice trembled as she explained how this denial means George could face deportation imminently, putting an abrupt halt to their dreams of building a life together in the U.S. The couple's future, once filled with wedding plans and hopes for family, now feels uncertain and fragile.